Have you ever stopped to think if you'll need to work until you're 65, or if you'll have enough money for retirement? This is a sad reality for many people. Often, middle-class and lower-class individuals develop automatic habits that keep them trapped in the rat race. But what is this race? It illustrates the competitive and endless cycle of climbing the career ladder to earn more and maintain an increasingly expensive lifestyle. This lifestyle leads many people to work in corporate jobs until they're 65 or even older because of the habits they've developed throughout their careers. In this video, I'll highlight these habits so you can avoid them and break free from the race as quickly as possible. Keep watching until the end because habits 6 and 8 are especially dangerous and can damage your financial life forever. Number 1. Habitually borrowing money. Resorting to loans can become a hard-to-break habit. Many people start relying on loans to cover expenses or acquire items beyond their financial means, resulting in a vicious cycle of debt that's difficult to stop. When this dependence on debt sets in, it creates an endless cycle of borrowing, paying off debt, and borrowing again. This cycle generates stress, anxiety, and eventually can lead to total financial ruin. An effective way to break this cycle is to establish and stick to a budget. Budget helps understand the relationship between income and expenses, enabling more informed decisions about how to use money. By tracking your spending, you can identify areas to cut costs, save money, and prioritize your expenses, avoiding the need for unnecessary loans. Another approach to break free from this cycle is to find ways to increase your income. Taking on additional work or starting a side project are ways to generate more financial resources. By increasing your income, you reduce your dependence on debt and gain the ability to pay off your financial obligations more quickly. Number 2. Not tracking your expenses. Not having control over your expenses can lead to financial problems. It becomes difficult to understand where your money is going, limiting your awareness of your spending habits. Overspending can lead to the accumulation of bills that you cannot pay, creating a complicated situation. The solution to avoid this trap is to create a budget. It provides a clear view of your financial inflows and outflows, allowing you to identify areas where you overspend and find opportunities for savings. It is crucial to track your expenses, which can be done through spreadsheets or budgeting apps. When you monitor your spending, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. For example, you might realize you are spending too much on dining out or entertainment and decide to cut back in those areas. In my perspective, it is not necessary to track your finances for the rest of your life, but it would be good to start by monitoring your income and expenses for at least 3 months. Nowadays, there are several personal finance apps that make this process easier, allowing you to record your expenses immediately after purchase. If you decide to start now, one suggestion I can give is to analyze your bank statements and credit card bills from the last 3 months and add them up manually. However, this approach provides only an estimate, especially if you frequently use cash. Ideally, you should start tracking expenses from today. After monitoring about 3 months of expenses and calculating a monthly average, you will have a clearer understanding of your spending. Number 3. Buying more liabilities than assets. Assets and liabilities are essential concepts in personal finance. Assets are things that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value, such as properties, stocks, or a business. Liabilities, on the other hand, are things that consume your money. Car loans, credit card debts, or mortgage payment. Many people make the mistake of acquiring too many liabilities while neglecting the prioritization of income-generating assets, which can lead to financial instability. Imagine if you direct a significant portion of your income towards car payments, credit card debt, and other liabilities. There won't be enough money left to invest in assets capable of generating passive income. It is crucial to prioritize income-generating assets such as rental properties, real estate investment trusts, stocks of good companies, or even a side business. These assets have the potential to generate passive income that, over time, say 10 years, can supplement your main income and provide financial stability. Investing in your future is worth considering. Number 4. Trying to look rich and maintain appearances. This can be expensive and keep you trapped in poverty. Many people fall into the trap of trying to appear wealthier by spending beyond their means. This includes buying expensive clothes, luxury items, and participating in activities that are beyond their financial capacity, all to impress others. However, this attitude can lead to serious financial problems in the long run, keeping these people trapped in poverty. It is essential to live within your means and resist the temptation to spend money on things that are not truly necessary. Prioritizing saving a portion of your income and investing in your future are crucial steps to building wealth and achieving financial stability. A valuable tip is to focus on experiences rather than material possessions. Instead of investing in expensive items to impress others, focus on activities that bring joy and satisfaction, such as spending time with loved ones, exploring new hobbies, or pursuing work that is meaningful to you. It is important to remember that wealth is not just about the amount of money you have, also about how you manage it. When you live within your means and prioritize your financial goals, you can achieve lasting financial success and break the cycle of poverty. After all, building wealth goes beyond monetary value. It's about wisely managing your resources to achieve a more prosperous financial life. Number 5. Focusing too much on saving money. Concentrating exclusively on saving money without exploring ways to increase your income can be a trap that prevents you from achieving financial freedom. While saving is crucial, relying solely on it can restrict your financial progress and stability. The reality is that the more you earn, the more opportunities you have to save and invest, which consequently contributes to your wealth growth. To avoid falling into this trap, it is essential to focus on diversifying your income sources. Consider taking on extra work or starting a side business to supplement your primary income. Investing in stocks, real estate, or real estate investment trusts can also be an excellent way to increase your earnings and build wealth. Another crucial point to consider is the continuous improvement of your skills and education. Developing your competencies and knowledge can open doors to better job opportunities and increase your earning potential. Take advantage of online courses, workshops, and networking events to enhance your skills and expand your network. Here we are at number 6, one of the worst, choosing the wrong partner. Falling into this trap can lead to financial problems in various ways. For example, if you are frugal and your partner is more of a spender or constantly accumulates debt, this can cause stress on the couple's finances and also result in disagreements and tensions in the relationship. Being financially aligned is fundamental for any relationship. From the start, it is essential to maintain open communication about finances and establish joint financial goals. When choosing a partner, consider their financial habits, attitudes, and goals. If financial value differences arise in the relationship, it is important to have an honest conversation and find ways to reach a consensus. Know that in any negotiation, it is natural for both parties to make concessions. To avoid falling into this trap, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of the couple's financial situation and goals. Establishing financial limits and creating a joint budget can also be helpful. These practices will help you and your partner work together in pursuit of financial stability and the achievement of shared goals. Number 7. Spending too much on a house. Overspending on a house is a common financial mistake that can have serious consequences. Many people are tempted to buy a larger, more luxurious house than they can realistically afford, believing it will bring happiness and social status. However, this kind of excessive spending can lead to long-term financial complications, such as mortgage debt, increased utility bills, and maintenance expenses. One of the fundamental problems with overspending on a house is the possibility of becoming financially committed to it, preventing the ability to save or invest. When all your income is directed towards housing costs, it leaves you vulnerable to unexpected expenses or emergencies, hindering the pursuit of financial stability. To avoid overspending on a house, it is crucial to plan all housing-related expenses, considering important aspects of the property and maintenance costs. Additionally, it is important not to buy a house beyond your financial means and to explore alternative options such as renting or choosing a smaller residence. Renting provides flexibility and freedom, making it a more suitable choice for those looking to save money or who have an unpredictable income. On the other hand, buying a smaller house can offer financial security and allow you to save money for other goals, such as retirement or education. When you avoid the trap of overspending on a house, you regain control of your finances and build a more solid financial future. Number 8, which is also extremely detrimental, waiting to get rid of debts. This situation can become a trap that results in long-term financial problems. Debts, especially those with high amounts like credit card debts, can accumulate quickly and become overwhelming. The longer you take to pay off your debts, the more interest accrues, prolonging the time needed to get rid of them. The urgency to pay off your debts as quickly as possible is crucial. Being debt-free gives you the ability to save money and invest in your future, instead of allocating resources to debt and interest payment. Additionally, it can reduce stress and provide a sense of peace, knowing you are not in debt and have control over your finances. To get rid of debts, it is essential to create and follow a repayment plan. Start by listing all your debts, including the total amount owed, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Then, prioritize your debts and focus on paying off those with the highest interest rates first. Another option to consider is consolidating your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This makes it easier to track payments and reduces the total amount of interest paid over time. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our new videos. If you want to deepen your knowledge, check out one of the recommended videos here. See you next time.